Did you know that the ocean is home to 94% of all living things on Earth? But according to some estimates, more than 80% of the ocean remains unobserved and unexplored. So the marine life that we do see is only a snippet of what actually lives there. One of the biggest problems in wildlife conservation is getting an accurate picture of what lives where. In order to protect any environment, scientists need to know what lives there to begin with. As for ocean conservation, the problem is that getting this information normally requires sending divers out with nets or devices to collect marine samples, which can be quite an expensive and dangerous job. But what if there was an entirely new way to monitor animal life? Well, thankfully, there is a way that exists. Rather than going out to collect animals themselves, all they need is a tiny sample of eDNA. Environmental DNA, or eDNA, is essentially DNA collected from the environment. Just think about it. Every time we sneeze, we're creating a shower of genetic material. In a similar way, as they go about their lives, sea animals are constantly shedding living and dead cells through tissue and scales, leaving behind a treasure trove of data just waiting to be collected. And all this tissue contains DNA. This kind of DNA can be collected from different nature samples like soil, seawater, or even snow. In oceans, scientists can collect eDNA in a non-invasive way by taking water samples. These samples show scientists what type of animals are present, how many there are, and how long they've been there for. After collection, eDNA samples are sent to a lab for DNA extraction and to sort the DNA strands. Then, scientists label each sequence in a process called meta-barcoding. These samples are then compared to others in the DNA database, and the organism can be identified down to its family, kind, and location. By using eDNA technology in oceans, we could be able to see faster changes in the ecosystem. First of all, it can detect a wide diversity of marine life, from a whole host of nearly invisible bacteria to deep-diving whales. Scientists can find out about an ecosystem's animal threats, location, populations, and habitat needs. It can help track down rare or endangered species that otherwise could be hard to find. eDNA can be used to monitor water quality and the amount of harmful bacteria in oceans. And future eDNA studies could help scientists make good recommendations for fisheries management and marine resource preservation. eDNA is an amazing tool that provides a snapshot of the ecosystems beneath the waves. Getting a better understanding of these ecosystems is key to protecting them from the threats posed by overfishing, pollution, and climate change. As technology still continues to advance and ideas expand, eDNA has the potential to open up some really exciting and creative ways to learn about and help protect the wildlife around us.